How to fix TikTok black screen problem on iPhone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guide studio, and today's guide video will show you the easiest way of how you can fix if your TikTok application showing the black screen on any iPhone. So let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so now to fix the problem, the very first thing that you have to do, go ahead and check your internet connection. Open up any browser from your choice and go ahead and search for a speed test. And once you have searched for a speed test, you'll get to see a few different websites. So just go ahead and select one of these from here and check your internet speed. If you don't have stable internet connection, then you might have this problem. So just need to get back from here and swipe down from the very top and enable the airplane mode for, let's say, 10 to 20 seconds. And after that, turn it back off, or even you can switch your network Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi and see if that fixes your problem or not. Let's say you did this process but you still have the problem, then follow the next process. Open up the settings app from your iPhone and then scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on iPhone storage here, and then search for TikTok. Go and tap on TikTok, tap Offload app, and lastly go and tap reinstall app, and this will reinstall your TikTok application. Just get back from here and wait some time, and most likely your problem is going to be solved. And if none of these steps work, then all you can do, you can delete the TikTok application and reinstall it from the app store. Just press and hold the TikTok application, tap on remove, tap delete app, and this will delete that TikTok application and reinstall it from the app store. And hope one of this method will fix your problem and your TikTok will start working. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.